Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the Matsato knife, a kitchen knife that's been gaining popularity online for its sharpness and quality. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, Matsato.com markets their knives as high quality, razor sharp tools designed to make cutting and chopping effortless. The website highlights precision craftsmanship and durable materials for long lasting use. On Trustpilot, Matsato Knife 2 holds a solid 4.2-star rating from over 5,000 reviews. Customers praise how sharp the knife is and say cutting feels like a breeze. They also mention quick delivery and good customer communication, which is always a plus. Many users note that the company's responsiveness to feedback showing that they care about customer satisfaction. Now, is Matsato knife legit? Absolutely. It's a well-reviewed product with real users backing up its quality and sharpness. If you're looking for a reliable kitchen knife that performs well and arrives quickly, Matsato is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in. If you've tried the Matsato knife, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Happy cooking!